might have met her before, it's my best friend. I've come up to the Lake District, which is where I'm from, and we actually haven't had the opportunity to do this because I moved away when I was 18.
And we didn't drive.
Well, we did, but not
a moped.
But nobody's, So I never get to explore them the way that I want to explore them. And I was like, I need to go up north. I'm getting angry at London. And here we are. Everybody needs to see where we grew up because it's beautiful. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm not a travel vlogger, but this is what you're getting today. That took far too long.
What'd you get?
The whole shop is chocolate and fudge.
I'm game.
No, so I got these.
Nice lunch. So nourishing.
Oh God. We're going to find these waterfalls. We have matching tattoos because we're really cool. Sophie! To like the Citron logo.
No, I always say that first just to kind of.
I do.
To be funny. It's not. No one ever gets.
Yeah, they're like, what, right? And I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, I mean, it means create your own reality. Erin is an amazing photographer. Check her. Watch this. This is really YouTube. Check her out in my link below. God, it's so YouTube now. Come see what we get up to. Okay.
Come along.
Come along.
When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad.
Lay on a lay.
Punch it.
Pioneer with a lonely girl, said lay your lay. He on back with the girl and go, said lay your low. Pioneer with a lonely girl, said lay your lay. Loud with the voice of the lonely girl, said lay your low.
What'd you say?
Shake it off. Shake it off.
There's no toilet. We are going to try this, Erin.
The royal way.
Yes.
No! Is that you just stuck now?
Yeah! Much better than my attempt. Okay, now we leave her. Go!
You can totally do it.
I ended up in hospital once because there was 2 of these and someone came back, kicked me, and this went down the side and I had to go to hospital. So I have a fear. I don't have a fear, but I'm a bit scared.
We're getting over phobias
Not
today.
exactly water, is it down there? It's like a rock.
It's just rock. Yes! No, how'd you feel? You conquered your fear. This is the fear factor.
I am pretty much Bear Grylls.
Off she goes. In.
Off I go with
Into
my
the
backpack.
wilderness. So we're very prepared, aren't we?
We haven't had dinner.
What time is it?
Oh, lunch, sorry.
I had lunch and it's 4 o'clock.
Oh my god, no wonder I'm hungry.
Yeah, it's tea time. We had no food. We got a vegan chocolate bar. What was it?
It was rubbish.
And what have we got to last us?
Chewing gum and Ribena. A resident mountain goat in the form of an Erin. Quick, nimble, she dances over the rocks and resembles somewhat of a mermaid. See how she tries to entice the male with her erotic dancing.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna try go swimming in there. It's cold, but we're gonna do it. Okay. Okay, we're going for a swim. Erin's gonna wear my t-shirt. Ah! Ah!
Levi's not giving me enough protection across my boobs.
We need it in the water! Why am I American?
We're all good.
I'm so warm.
Mate, it's so toasty. I can't drop your phone. Really, really slippy.
This is the best day ever.
We had a great time swimming, yeah?
Yeah,
We
there
got
was time in
dressed.
as well because look, we just got naked on the rocks and there's this lady is there just, oh I missed her, rambling away just on behind the tree.
That bit didn't happen.
Beautifully done. Snacks for the end of the journey. We just went into the local pub and ordered 3 packets of crisps. I just dribbled as well. I'm very hungry.
She like literally drooling at the thought.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I am doing a giveaway when I hit 5,000 subscribers. Not really sure what I'm giving away. That's a surprise to us both. But yeah, you can find me at It's Sophie Craig on all of the socials. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that jazz. So yeah, take care. See you soon.